are here in the town of Falmouth, Jamaica, home of our newest cruise pair. And we are going to speak with Janet Crick, who is the owner of Jamaica Culinary Tours. Janet's going to tell us about her latest tour, which is called what, Janet?
It's called the Nyam and Goe Tour.
Tell us about it.
Well, Nyam in our local dialect means to eat.
Yes.
Goe means to go away. So basically, you're coming and you're eating with us, and then unfortunately you're going away, but not before you have a whole ton of food and a whole ton of fun to go with it.
Okay. Tell us a little bit more, a little taste of the tour.
Oh, all right then. All right, our Nyam and Goe tour is actually a combination of a walking and a bus tour.
Yes.
And it covers two parishes,
Yes.
the parish of Trelawney,
Which is where we are now.
which is where we are now, and the neighboring parish of St. Anne, the Garden Parish. So we start you off in Falmouth, we take you to a couple historic sites and of course a few tasting venues. Then we board a bus and we go across the border to St. Anne, all the way up to Ocherius and then back down. But along the way we're stopping and of course we're nyamming. And we're also introducing you to some wonderful historic artifacts and historic sites. And all along the way you're getting a taste not only of the cuisine but of our fascinating culture.
Awesome. So this tour is how long?
It's a 5.5-hour tour.
Yes. And would that mean that people who come on a cruise would be able to take it and get back to their ship on time?
Absolutely. Even though we want you to stay here with us, we know that might pose a few problems for you and for us.
Yes.
So yes, the tours are designed for you to have enough time to dock, come eat with us, and then get back onto your ship. So we'll have different times for the tours. You can simply check our website under the bookings tab. And if you are not comfortable with the times that you see there, depending on the time that your ship is going to dock, please do feel free to contact us directly and we can always sort something out for you.
Excellent. And this tour is also open to people who might be staying on the island.
Well, most definitely. In that case, you never have to leave.
All right. Love that, Jan. So tell us the name of it one more time.
This is the Nyam and Goe Tour.
All right.
Come nyam with us.
Come nyam with you. Okay, we will. Thank you very much, Janet.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
too.